Are you looking for some inspiration to decorate your living room? Do you want to create a cozy, elegant, and inviting space that reflects your style and taste? If so, you might want to consider using light gray and soft pink as your color scheme. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to my channel. As I already said, in today's video, I'm going to show you why I love a living room in light gray and soft pink and how you can achieve this look in your own home. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Now, let's get started. Light gray and soft pink are two of my favorite colors to use in a living room. They are both neutral colors that can match with any style and mood. Whether you want a modern, minimalist or rustic look, these colors can easily blend in and complement your furniture, accessories and lighting. They can also create a soothing and relaxing atmosphere that is perfect for unwinding after a long day. But how do you furnish a living room in light gray and soft pink? Well, choosing the right furniture for a living room in light gray and soft pink can be a fun and rewarding process. Here are some tips to help you create a beautiful and functional space. Start with the largest piece of furniture, usually the sofa, and orient it toward the focal point of the room, such as TV, fireplace, or window. You can opt for a light gray sofa with some soft pink pillows, or vice versa, depending on your preference. A light gray sofa can add some sophistication and depth to your living room, while a soft pink sofa can add some freshness and charm. Next, add the smaller seating options, such as chairs or love seats opposite or adjacent to the sofa. You can also use a corner sofa or a pair of sofas to create a more sociable arrangement. Finish by adding accent furniture such as coffee tables, end tables, ottomans, and lamps. Use a large area rug to unify the sitting area and add some warmth and texture to the floor. Make sure all the key pieces of furniture fit on top of the rug, or at least the front legs of each piece. You can choose a rug that matches the color scheme of your living room, or one that adds some pattern or interest. Let's see now how to decorate a living room in light gray and soft pink. Before beginning, there are a few things you need to consider, such as the color balance, the contrast, and the interest. Let me explain. First, you need to balance the colors and make sure they are not too overwhelming or too boring. A good rule of thumbs is to use light gray or the dominant color and soft pink as the accent color. You can apply light gray to the walls, the sofa, the rug, or the curtains, and use soft pink for the pillows, the throw, the art, or the flowers. This way, you can create a subtle contrast and a harmonious look. Second, you need to add some contrast and pop to your living room. You can do this by mixing and matching some other colors, such as white, black, gold, or green. For example, you can use white for the ceiling, the trim, or the coffee table to brighten up the space and make it feel more spacious. You can use black for the frames, the lamp, or the TV to add some sophistication and depth. You can use gold for the hardware, the mirror, or the candle holders to add some warmth and glamour. And you can use green for the plants, the books, or the vase to add some freshness and life. Third, you need to add some interest and personality to your living room. You can do this by using different shades, textures, and patterns of light gray and soft pink. For example, you can use a darker gray for the sofa, a lighter gray for the rug, and a medium gray for the walls. You can use velvet pink for the pillows, cotton pink for the throw, and a silk pink for the art. You can also use some geometric, floral, or abstract patterns to create some variety and dimension. And that's it. That's how you can decorate a living room in light gray and soft pink. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!